Hi Travellers, so today we're taking a look at the Bellroy Cinch Mini Messenger. Now this is actually a 6-litre sling bag, as you can see it has a sling here. And I thought it would be interesting to compare to one of my favourite slings from Bellroy, which is the Lite Sling Mini. And this one is actually 4 litres, but you can see the footprint of them is actually very similar. But we'll take a look at, how much more you can pack in the Cinch Mini, and I just thought I'd just show you what I usually carry in my Mini and see if it all fits in here, which it most likely should. I might just do a really quick walk around and comparison between the two bags. So this one obviously has a flap and 2 buckles on the front. On the back there is nothing else. This one has a zip front pocket with a water resistant zipper. This one has a dual zipper top one with a zippered inner pocket and then a little tiny pocket here, and also nothing on the back. The Cinch Mini does have a elasticized pocket here, which is just a slip pocket, so anything you put in here would mainly be held in by the buckles. It does have a zippered pocket as well, and that goes into a mesh divided pocket in the front, so you can't access it from the main compartment. You do access it from the top here. And there's a little loop here, and then you get the main compartment, which doesn't have any extra dividers or organization. And then on the back or top of the flap here, you get a zippered pocket, which I think would be interesting to put like paper or something. But I've just put the little tag that you get with the bag. So anything you do put in this pocket, you have to keep in mind that it will be folded around. So if you put like a bit of paper in there, it will be folded down. Or you can see here, if you do put it right there at the zip and you fold it, then you'd have to just be mindful that it's not going to get squashed or pinched at the top area. But I think that's why this bag does have a much larger capacity, is because it has this back area, which is probably around 1 or 2 litres of capacity. So we'll take a look at that. And just quickly having a look at the materials of the bag, you can see that the Lite Sling here has this kind of grid pattern, which is probably now a bit worn. You can see it's a bit dusty. I probably should give it a bit of a wash, but you can't put it in the washing machine. They do say you have to use a damp rag to sort of wipe it down. So I'm just going to show you can put a little umbrella here. I just got this one off AliExpress. Now this one might actually fit down that back pocket, as you can see there. And I might put the 4-class packable backpack. I would put that probably down the back. I do carry a mask just in case, you never know. And I have this little sort of medical pack that I put together. I'll put that down the back as well. Let's see, I'll just zip that up for now. So that's the rear compartment there. You can see it's already taken a little bit of the bulk. And if you look at the back, you can see it's sticking out a little bit, nothing terrible. So in the main area, I'm gonna go ahead and put my alpaca card zip and my power bank, which I also got off AliExpress. And this is a moisturizing sun cream from the Cancer Council. Always good to have that in Australia. Packet of tissues. Let's see, I might go ahead and put this on here. It's the hand sanitizer. And that's probably it for that one. Zippered one here. I might go ahead and put, let's say, my AirPods. And I'm testing these Soundpeats headphones. Pop those in there as well. Maybe this Listerine. Yeah, that's feeling pretty full now, and I can still close it. It's not looking too bulky. So in this one I have the clip here for your keys. That's usually where I attach my Nightcore Tiny 2. I pop that in there, and I have this little tiny microfiber for my sunglasses. And I'll pop these sunglasses in there as well. And then I have these 2 items. It is some nail clippers, generic USB charging cable that I got from AliExpress. And it's magnetized, so sometimes it comes in handy. Just chuck that in there as well. So that's it, fully packed. I'll just clip it shut. Actually, a fair bit of room as well, but you can see that now that it is packed, the bottom has expanded, and that's something that it differentiates it from the Mini here. This Mini doesn't have any squared off area. It's just like a rounded design, so it doesn't actually stand up on its own in general, whereas this one has like a bit of a flat area there, as you can see, part of the design. So this one would actually stand up when you put it down on a table or something, which could be handy for some use cases. I'd also take my hero clip, which you could just easily pop on one of the straps there, and then I'm ready for my EDC adventures. Alright, because I'm pretty sure somebody's going to ask, but yes, you can fit a Sony A7C with the Viltrox 22.8 attached with actually a surprising amount of room left over. So you could probably also add the Sony 40mm and you still have a fair amount of room, and you can still access the front pocket, the mesh pocket, and the zippered back panel. And when you buckle it up, it's not even that bulky. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to tune in for the next video, and be sure to check the links in the description if you're interested in checking it out.